Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix iPhone sound problems after iOS 26. So it's actually very easy. The first thing that you need to do is to open the settings app, as see from here, and from there you need to open the Bluetooth. So after that you need to make sure that you turn off Bluetooth because most of the times the cause of these issues for the sound is that you have connected your AirPods by mistake and now you can't hear anything because the AirPods are connected. So try to turn off your AirPods or turning off the Bluetooth from here to fix this issue. But you can't always turn off the Bluetooth because you need your Apple Watch to be turned on through Bluetooth. So the next fix will be that you swipe up from here to down, and after that this menu will appear. You need to click on here, and from here you can choose the output for the audio. So you need to choose iPhone speaker, and that will hopefully fix your issue. Also make sure from here that you don't choose focus mode or don't disturb mode so that the audio will work. As see from here, make sure that do not disturb mode is not working, so turn it off if it's like that. Also, if the audio is low from here, you can just swipe it up to make it higher so you can hear the sound if it's turned off. So if none of this is working with you, you can try to make a restart or you can try to reset your iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.